Now tell me this important stuff. Today you are...
Today I'm drug-free, and if your doctor tells you to get 1 pill or 2 pills twice a day, then you should listen to the doctor. And if you don't and you take 4 or 3 or 5, your brain might get messed up, and if your brain gets messed up, you can't drive. And there's some good drugs and there's some bad drugs. The medicines are the good drugs. The cigarettes and other stuff are the bad drugs.
Like what other kind of stuff?
Like if kids drink beer, that's bad drugs for kids.
Okay, what about grown-ups?
If big grown-ups drink beer, that's a good drug for big grown-ups. Cause sometimes you really have to drink beer.
Yeah, how come?
Because beer's a kind of drug.
What does it do to you?
And if your doctor tells you to drink beer once a day or twice a day, or take 3 drops a day, or take 3 cups a day, and you take 5 or 6, that's a bad thing.
Yeah. Well, what happens if your doctor didn't tell you you should drink beer and you drink it anyways? Is that good or bad?
It's really bad.
Oh, really?
Mhm.
Is there anything else that's bad for grown-ups too?
Yeah, but I don't know what it is.
Oh, okay. Well, what else can you tell me?
That's all.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you for that lesson.
You have to keep that and upload it on your computer.
Why should I do that?
And you have to upload it on YouTube.
Why?
Because it's very important and everyone should see it.
Everyone should see it?
Yes.
I see. All right. I love you.
I love you too.
Bye, Munchkin.
Bye.